How to stake Gala token. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to stake Gala token step by step. So basically you can earn Gala tokens in a few different ways. First of all, you can own a node and get rewards daily, but if you click on buy now here, you need more than 2 million Gala tokens to run a node, and then you can get rewards daily in the Gala tokens or NFTs, etc. Currently it can cost you like $96,000 on the current price. So if you don't have 2 million Gala tokens, there is another way to stake Gala token. But first of all, guys, scam alert. If you search on YouTube how to stake Gala token, you maybe see this kind of video with these guys, and he promised 718% IPR on the Gala token staking, but during the bear market it's almost impossible to get such high rewards. So it's clearly a scam, because if you check the video, he shows you that you can stake Gala token on the Binance swap, and the link in the description is definitely the fake site, because if you can see the address galabakes.com, it's not official Binance swap address. You can check official website address here on the CoinMarketCap, and the address here binance.org. And if you open binance.org, you will not find any options to stake Gala token here. So basically it's a phishing scam. They want to steal your crypto. Don't even click on this site, it's clear that it's a scam. We have basically only one option left, is to stake Gala token on Binance. That's only one way I found. If you already have Gala tokens in your Binance account, you can buy it here as well. And under earn you have three options. Auto invest, basically here you can dollar cost average. It's not staking, it's buying. Other option is liquidity farming, but it's more risky because you can get impermanent loss. So I do not recommend this for beginners. It's only for advanced users, and the IPI here is 5%. And the one I use, it's called flexible savings. Basically you can stake Gala token here and unstake them at any time. There is no lockup period or something like that. Basically you need to have at least one Gala, and there is a quota of 99,222 Gala tokens that you can stake here, and estimates APR here only 0.5%. It's not much, but that's the only way you can stake Gala. Here you need to enter the amount of Gala you want to stake, minimum 1 Gala, maximum 99,000 as I told before, and just click here and confirm. Basically you need to have some Gala token. I already stake here 775 Gala tokens. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Please be aware of scam I mentioned in the beginning of this video, and let me know in the comment what kind of crypto tutorials you want to see next. See you next time. Bye.